My name is Miss Morris, and if you are watching this video, you are enrolled in one of my variations of English 2 classes, or are a parent or guardian of an enrolled student. I would like to welcome you to the world of English 2, as well as give you an overview of what you can expect from this course. Students will engage in an in-depth examination of complex texts by way of reading, writing, speaking, listening, and creating. These are all skills as well as ways of processing information, which you must hone as you grow into young adulthood. Avid strategies will also be embedded in this course and will be there to assist you in learning more about yourself and the world, especially if you engage your will in being brave, hardworking, honest, open-minded, and reflective. The goal of this course is to prepare you students for the future in ELA classes, college, career, for the SAT, the ACT. In order to be successful in this course, you will need to visit my website and Canvas on a regular basis. All pertinent information is posted on my website, and you can access it through the MBH site. It would be greatly beneficial to read through the syllabus and the remote learning schedule on my website prior to our first virtual class meeting. You will receive an email on Friday, August 14th, with a link needed to attend this meeting. In addition to academic support, I am here to help you navigate remote learning and instruction and all that comes with virtual learning. I look forward to working with you this semester.